Normal verbs versus advanced verbs. 1. Walk, stroll. 2. Eat, devour. 3. Sleep, slumber. 4. Talk, converse. 5. Write, compose. 6. Read, peruse. 7. Run, sprint. 8. Jump, leap. 9. Cook, culminate. 10. Drive, navigate. 11. Watch, observe. 12. Sing, croon. 13. Dance, choreograph. 14. Play, participate. 15. Smile, grin. 16. Laugh, chuckle. 17. Climb, ascend. 18. Fly, soar. 19. Open, unveil. 20. Close, seal. 21. Call, summon. 22. Wait, linger. 23. Help, assist. 24. Clean, scour. 25. Listen, attune. 26. Stand upright. 27. Sit, perch. 28. Give, bestow. 29. Take, acquire. 30. Brush, scrub. 31. Speak, orate. 32. Love, adore. 33. Hate, detest. 34. Find, discover. 35. Lose, misplace. 36. Build, construct. 37. Break, shatter. 38. Fix, repair. 39. Use, utilize. 40. Want, desire. 41. Need, require. 42. Like, appreciate. 43. Dislike, abhor. 44. Have, possess. 45. Get, obtain. 46. Make, craft. 47. Choose, select. 48. Teach, instruct. 49. Learn, absorb. 50. Remember, recall. 51. Forget, omit. 52. Believe, trust. 53. Understand, comprehend. 54. Know, recognize. 55. Miss, long for. 56. Plan, strategize. 57. Visit, explore. 58. Create, generate. 59. Finish, complete. 60. Start, commence. 61. Stop, cease. 62. Continue, persist. 63. Grow, flourish. 64. Change, transform. 65. Hope, aspire. 66. Dream, fantasize. 67. Succeed, excel. 68. Fail, falter. 69. Enjoy, savor. 70. Travel, journey. 71. Talk, communicate. 72. Write, correspond. 73. Read, skim. 74. Run, rush. 75. Sleep, repose. 76. Laugh, giggle. 77. Cry, weep. 78. Smile, beam. 79. Listen, eavesdrop. 80. Sing, warble. 81. Dance, gyrating. 82. Cook, culinary. 83. Study, analyze. 84. Exercise, train. 85. Paint, illustrate. 86. Swim, submerge. 87. Drive, steer. 88. Shop, browse. 89. Play, participate. 90. Hug, embrace. 91. Kiss, peck. 92. Meet, encounter. 93. Apologize, concede. 94. Suggest, propose. 95. Solve, resolve. 96. Taste, savor. 97. Touch, caress. 98. Explain, elucidate. 99. Agree, consent. 100th. Disagree, contradict. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!